If you're wondering how to get jobs on Housecall Pro, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the basics of the software and show you exactly how to start landing jobs with it. Housecall Pro is an all-in-one software designed for service professionals like plumbers, electricians, HVAC technicians, and other tradespeople. It's a platform that helps you manage everything from job bookings to invoicing all in one place. But today we're focusing on how you can actually get jobs using it. To start, you'll want to set up your profile and services. When you first log in, you'll be prompted to enter key details about your business. This includes your service area, the types of jobs you handle, and your availability. Setting this up right from the start ensures that potential clients can find you for the specific services you offer. Now, Housecall Pro allows you to get jobs in a couple of key ways. The first is through their marketplace, which is a listing of jobs that are posted by customers who need service. Think of it like a job board, where local homeowners and businesses post their requests for service. You can easily browse through these listings and bid on the ones that fit your expertise. This is a great way to pick up new clients if you're just starting out or trying to expand your reach. In addition to the marketplace, Housecall Pro integrates with a system that helps you automate job bookings. Once you've connected your calendar, clients can book directly through the platform without you needing to manually confirm each job. This means less back and forth communication and more time for you to focus on what you do best. Another feature that can help you land jobs is Housecall Pro's marketing tools. You can send reminders, confirmations, and follow-up messages to customers, ensuring they don't forget about their appointments. This not only boosts your chances of getting more jobs, but also keeps your clients engaged and coming back. Additionally, Housecall Pro offers customer reviews and ratings, which are incredibly important for building your online reputation. Every time you complete a job, you can ask your clients to leave feedback. Positive reviews will help you stand out in the marketplace and boost your credibility. It's also worth mentioning that you can use Housecall Pro for completely free from the first link below, and we've got exclusive bonuses for you to make the most of this trial. Stick with us, and at the end, we'll tell you about the extended free trial you can access. To maximize your chances of landing jobs, be sure to fill out your profile completely, take advantage of the marketing features, and request reviews after every completed job. The more active and engaged you are, the more likely you'll be to show up in searches and attract the right clients. So, to sum up, Housecall Pro isn't just a tool for managing jobs, it's a powerful platform for finding them too. Whether you're using the marketplace, automating your bookings, or leveraging customer reviews, this software gives you all the tools you need to grow your business. Remember, click the first link below to get started with a completely free trial and exclusive bonuses. This will help you explore all of the features we mentioned and will even give you extended access so you can really see how it works for your business. Thanks for watching, and good luck landing your next job on Housecall Pro.